Hello everyone, this video is about how to make a sanitizer at home. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf or a ready-made aloe vera, rubbing alcohol, essential oil for fragrance, funnel, beater and strainer. Here I have taken aloe vera leaf to make sanitizer. Make aloe vera gel from aloe vera pulp. And here the gel is ready. Take 5 caps of rubbing alcohol. After taking rubbing alcohol in a bowl, mix aloe vera gel. Pour some essential oil for fragrance. I have taken lavender essential oil, you can take any essential oil. Mix all three properly and strain the solution with the help of strainer. And here is our home sanitizer ready, just in few minutes. Pour this DIY sanitizer in any spare old bottle of your old sanitizer with the help of funnel. And here is our homemade sanitizer ready. With only 3 ingredients, aloe vera, rubbing alcohol and essential oil for fragrance, you can make sanitizer and use it for your daily purpose. So guys, Mani and VibhaVlogszz have reached 100 subscribers on YouTube channel. So thank you all for subscribing our channel. It really means a lot. If you like this video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you soon.